Hey guys, today we're going to talk about something that I know is very close to everyone's heart, and that is Bucin. Yes, so in Indonesia you have this new expression called budak cinta or Bucin. So today we're going to talk about what is Bucin in English. Not buncit, yeah, don't get confused. So Bucin in English, budak cinta. It is not love slave. You might think that, but we don't have an expression called a love slave. So the best expression that I can think of is we say love sick. Yeah? So if someone is love sick, then that means they're so out of sorts they can't act normally because they've fallen so hard in love, so they just can't act like a normal person. They are love sick. Bucin, yes. So another expression that people at least several years ago used to use was whipped. So a whip is what you call the cambuk or cambukan, yeah? So if someone is whipped, just like you used to teach the animals what to do and they would always follow what you told them to do when you whipped them. So if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend and whenever you say something, that person always does it, or the opposite, whenever your boyfriend or girlfriend says something to you and you just always do exactly what they say, it's as though you are an animal who's being beaten. You can't help but just say yes, yes, yes. So other than Bucin, yes, you could also say that person is whipped. So for example, if my friend comes in and then his girlfriend calls him on the phone and he says, "Oh yes, I'll be right there," then I might look at him and say, "Boy, you are whipped." So whipped, Bucin. You can also say love sick, Bucin. So there is the English translation or approximation for Bucin.